Hello students, let us solve some multiple choice question from the topic linear equations in two variables from class 10th. So the question is, choose correct alternative for each of the following questions. First question is, to draw the graph of 4x plus 5y is equal to 19 and y when x is equal to 1. So the four options are given over here, 4, 3, 2 or minus 3. To decide which alternative is correct, we have to solve this equation. We have to draw a graph of this equation 4x plus 5y is equal to 19. For that, the value of one variable x is given, and from that we have to find the value of y. So for that, let us consider equation 4x plus 5y is equal to 19. We have to replace the variable x by 1 as the value of x is given to be 1. So 4 into x, that is 4 into 1 plus 5y is equal to 19. 4 into 1, that's 4 plus 5y is equal to 19. If we take 4 to the right hand side, it will become minus 4. That is, the equation would be 5y is equal to 19 minus 4. 19 minus 4, that's 15. 5 into y is there. So if we again take 5 to the right hand side, it will be in the denominator. We get y is equal to 15 by 5. And if we divide 15 by 5, we get 3. That's why the y is equal to 3 is the correct alternative. So here, the option B is the correct alternative. Let us have the next question. For the simultaneous equations in variables x and y, the value of dx is given to be 49, value of dy is minus 63, and value of d is 7. From that, we have to find the value of x. So here we have to use the Cramer's rule, as there are two simultaneous equations given for which the value of variable dx, dy and d are given, which are needed for a Cramer's rule. So to find the value of x, we have the formula x is equal to dx divided by d. We'll replace here the values of dx and d. Dx is 49, that's given, divided by d is 7. So if we divide 49 by 7, we get 7 sevens are 49, that's why x is equal to 7. So here, amongst these four alternatives, the correct answer is at option A. That's why this is the correct alternative. Let's have the next question. Find the value of determinant 5, 3, minus 7, minus 4. And the four alternatives again are given here. So to choose the correct alternative, we have to solve this determinant. So to solve this determinant, we have to take a product of 5 and minus 4 firstly. So we have 5 into minus 4 minus the product of minus 7 and 3 must be subtracted from the first product. 3 into minus 7 is there. So 5 into minus 4, that's minus 20. And here two negative numbers are there. The product of two negative numbers is always positive. That's why minus 3 into minus 7, it's plus 21. Minus 20 plus 21, that's 1. The value of this determinant is 1, which is given at option D. That's why D is the correct alternative. Let us have the next question. To solve x plus y is equal to 3 and 3x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0 by determinant method, find D. So here, to solve these two equations by determinant method or by Cramer's rule, we have to find the value of D. So to find the value of D, first of all, we should write these two equations. First equation is x plus y is equal to 3. And the second equation is 3x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. So to have this in standard form, we can transfer minus 4 to the right hand side to get equation 3x minus 2y is equal to 4. But we have nothing to do with the constant terms to find the value of determinant D. Only we need the coefficients which are along the variables with the variable x and with variable y. So to find the value of D, we have one determinant which has the coefficients of the variables x and y in these two equations. So in the first row, we'll take the coefficients of x and y of equation 1. That is, so for first equation, the coefficient of x is 1 and the coefficient of y is also 1. So in the first row, we should have 1, 1. And in the second row, we have to write the coefficients of x and y in second equation. For the second equation, the coefficient of x is 3 and coefficient of y is minus 2. So in the second row, we should write 3 minus 2. Now we have to solve this determinant to get the value of D. So for that, we have to multiply 1 and minus 2. This is 1 into minus 2 minus the product of 3 into 1 is there. So 1 into minus 2, that's minus 2 minus 3 into 1, that's 3. So minus 2 minus 3, that is minus 5. So this is the value of D. To solve these two simultaneous equations by determinant method. This minus 5 is the alternative at option C. That's why C is correct alternative. So this is how we can solve multiple choice questions from the topic linear equations in